Coach mail day. All right. I got my items from the Pink Drop. I did a pay by link from my local store, and they sent me the goodies that I want. I'm so excited. I was never able to make it down to the Coach store, unfortunately, because I do have the remnants of the flu. I've been sick for almost a week, guys. I never get sick. So they sent me what I wanted because I have amazing sales associates. So let's unbox. You guys know I had to get the large Rowan. I am a large Rowan girly. Oh, this is beautiful. Oh, okay. So the leather is actually a little bit more like golden than I've seen online. I thought it was like a little bit more tan. I really like it. Wow. Oh, it's so beautiful. Okay, let's take all the little nifties off. I absolutely love the hang tags. Like the way this is just got a little golden C there. This is beautiful. And this is very, very squishy. My other canvas Rowan is not this squishy. You hear my voice? I have zero voice. Crossbodies, which is awesome. I love it. This is just, oof. We're switching over tonight, baby. Lucky enough to go ahead and get one of the pencil cases. This is one of the things that I've been just foaming at the mouth to get, honestly. This is so perfect. I'm gonna put my tampons in here, or my lip liners, or my lipsticks. This is gorgeous, gorgeous. The one I have now is denim, so I'm happy to finally have a pink one. Oh my God, I love this. These are essential to keep your bag in order. Like, look at how perfectly this just, you know? Now I know this is the piece that everybody wanted and nobody could get. So for some reason, I'm sorry about my voice, guys. For some reason, they never released the makeup case online. They sold it in stores. I saw this in a sneaky peeky, and I immediately reached out to my sales associate and I was like, girl, if you get that, I need it. And as soon as she got it in, I just happened to have texted her and she's like, we got it. You gotta text me the day before the launch so I can hold it for you, because they won't hold things very long. Look at how beautiful that is. I love this makeup case. Oh my God, I love it. I love it. I don't have anything like this in my collection. Look at the mirror. Oh my God. This is so absolutely beautiful. Oh, and it's got these little things here so you can put all your makeup. Look. Oh my gosh. This is everything. Look. You could put your, and then you could just, this is gorgeous. This is absolutely a 10 out of 10. I mean, if I got nothing out of this launch and just this, I would be happy. This is delicious. And honestly, you could use this for a clutch. Like, you could use this for a bag on your way out. Like, if that was your vibe, you know, like this. Okay, I am gonna pop into the Coach store tomorrow just to see if they have any remnants of anything kind of hanging around. But that was my Coach haul. This is cool.